Okay, since my baby sister is sleeping in her crib, I'm going to wake her up by blowing an air horn at her. Ha 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 ha.
Rosie, what did you do to your baby sister?
Nothing. Mom. I was watching Lily until she woke up crying.
Don't you lie to me, Rosie, because I was downstairs watching Home Improvement with your father on TV until I heard Lily crying from all the way from downstairs. Now tell me the truth right now, or there will be consequences. Now fees up.
Okay. Fine. I'll tell you, I woke up baby Lily with an air horn.
Oh. Rosie, how dare you woke up your baby sister with an air horn? You know babies don't like to be woken up with loud noises.
But Mom, I am so sorry.
No, your apology is denied. What you just did is unacceptable. That's it, young lady. You're grounded for 1 million years. Go to your room right now. It's okay, princess. Your mean big sister is now in his room, and he will never sister you again. Oh, and you must be hungry. I better give you your bottle.
Cuckoo caca.